The best way to predict your future is to create it. Dear students, stay focused, believe in yourself, give your best. Wish you all the best.
Students of grade 10 and 12. As you step into this important phase of your academic journey, I extend my warmest wishes to each one of you for your upcoming board examinations. Dear students, stay calm, trust your preparation, manage your time well and give your best effort in every paper. Of course, take care of your health too. We are proud of your journey so far and wish you great results and bright future ahead. All the best, dear students of grade 10 and 12.